Okay, people. Madge bought some ackee at the little stand there. What'd you think of it, sweetie? Did it look pretty good?
What?
The ackee?
Yeah, just told you.
Yeah.
That's why I buy this.
That's why you picked that one, huh?
Yeah. Instead of the one.
Yeah. I guess while I had that off, I could have turned the fan on the air conditioning, cooled it down in here, but it's pretty comfortable. Oh, I see. You really see up the school there. That's nice. It's pretty. Just everything's so lovely. I mean, how could you just, you know, every day in our life, we could just go on a Sunday afternoon drive, you know? Every day of our life could be a Sunday afternoon drive.
Those people that has those peppers and callaloo.
Oh, I want to slow down there. You want to see if they'll sell you some callaloo?
Yeah,
and peppers. We'll see.
Pepper, those are the pepper. We love pepper, you know. I could give them half of it.
That's a good idea. Well, I've got my big jug of water, people. I'm drinking and drinking, but I got a frog in my throat, but I'm just going to leave it be a frog. My granddaughter, I've got a little mole on the side of my neck, and my granddaughter says that's a frog's foot. Because I told her I had a frog in my throat. And so she saw that mole, and then she wanted to know if that was a frog's foot. So Grandpa's mole is a frog's foot. Oh boy. You know which granddaughter I'm talking about, too.
I know.
Boy, she's something. Like I've said many times, people, if a granddaughter doesn't make you smile in your heart, warm your heart, or grandson would be the same way, too, you know. Something about it. Something about it.
And they are so little.
Oh, when they're little, yeah. But you know, it's fun to watch them grow, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun to watch them grow. Well, this is a good wide spot in the road, which is good because there's a lot of holes in the road. Well, let's say something exciting, sweetie. What should we talk about for our viewers and subscribers, so this isn't boring? Just sit back, people, and watch the views. Enjoy. I don't know what kind of tree that is. It's like gone to seed or something.
And the seeds are what, red?
No, it's like, yeah, they're like red. Yeah.
Oh, I think those seeds, they use them to, those tourist people who sell tourist things, they use those, make beads. You have some too, we call them jungle beads. They have black and red. One half of it black and half red.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think that's what grow on the American logwood that I'm telling you. It goes pad, and when they are ripe, at least when they are dry, they open, and that's what you see.
Oh, that must, I wonder if that goes into their farm back there. Well, maybe not. Okay, oh, there's their gate. Here, let me pull over here. You want to holler at them and see what?
Yeah.
See if they sell anything? Okay. All right. Well, people, see the farming people over there. They've got callaloo, they've got Scotch bonnet. So Madge is going to go see if we can get some of those, and I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera so it doesn't get too hot while we sit here, because I got it running, you know, all kinds of something. So we'll shut it down here for a little while again. You guys sell like a reasonable dollar, $150 a dozen. Yeah. In Marant Bay they sell it for $250. Well, Naki. Oops, I thought I saw something go. Yeah, we weren't able to buy anything here, people, because these are just work people. They're not the boss, so they would have to The boss would have to be here for us to buy anything. They're not able to sell it.
They're just working.
Yeah, yeah. But oh, there's some nice looking Scotch bonnets there. But you can see they got a drip water system and all kinds of. Oh, there's some more
sorrel. Look at sorrel for Christmas.
Oh yes, yes.
Sorrels.
Wow.
Those sorrels ready.
I wish I should have noticed it while the camera was still up, but that's okay.
I think the agriculture sorrel every 3 months it's ready. Somebody's
gonna farm here too.
Yeah, so you know
this is really good to see
they lease it.
that the Jamaican people in this area. This is a fertile valley, and it's so nice to see that people are getting getting farms going. And we saw those one areas where people are raising cattle, and we've seen different farms around. Even when I was going to Little Chiswick the other day, I saw a farm that didn't used to be there. And we have the one man that we like to buy his callaloo. And he told us he'd give us a tour of his farm sometime. I've got his phone number. I can't think of his name right now.
Yeah.
But I've got it in there. I got it in my phone. So we want to do that. Actually, on the recommendations, sometimes people will leave me recommendations because I ask for recommendations on what we should film. And one person said they'd like me to go back to that man and do that.
Oh, look at this farm over here.
Oh, yes. Wow.
Is it pumpkin or it look like pumpkin?
It almost looks like pumpkin, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it hasn't spread out much, so...
No, they are young. They're spreading out. One time we could go over there, that place.
Yes, and when we go there, the one thing about it is...
over here?
Well, what I was going to say is, like here's an example where even though it's on the right-hand side when we were going the other way, you can't see it. You can only see it on the left-hand side when you're going this direction. You can't see it when you're going the other direction. So there's quite a few things like that. So you all just get that other TV ordered, because I'm going to have to get a second camera. Or we could make another trip with the camera on the other side.
What? If you don't go over there, you won't see anything.
No, I know. I'm not.
It's away from the road.
Yeah, no, I'm just talking about on the driving part. Yeah. I'm making a joke, with our viewers and subscribers. Yeah, making a big joke out of it. There's that road there that we went down one time.
Yeah.
It'd be fun to go down that again. But I don't want to do it during the raining time like it is right now. I'd rather do it during a time when it's not raining. And there's plenty of times when it's not raining. But
So is one video do then?
No, I don't know how much time I have, but I think we're going to keep just going and see how it goes. There's no reason to stop now. We'll just do once I edit it, we can go sit in the car and do our intro and outros for whatever we did, wherever I decide should be in a video. And like this part here, I can include in the Golden Grove part, or, well, not necessarily, I guess, but I don't know how this is going to go with the editing and everything, people. That's what we're discussing. But I'm really looking forward to seeing how this works out.
So you said we're gonna drive Duckenfield.
Yes.
So you think you could do that? Go right along? I don't know.
Yeah, I can do that right now. That's what I thought we'd do, sweetie.
Yeah. When we reach.
I've driven this road with a dash cam before, so in a way it's like a dash cam, but this is so much higher quality. Plus, on a dash cam, it's just music going. It's not us talking. And people love to hear us chat. We could chat about anything. We could chat about that man we just passed, although we wouldn't know what to say about him, if he's a good man or not. I suppose he is. So Get to talking. Get to talking, lady. Miss Madge, get to talking. You got something to say, sweetie? Nope. Okay, well, on the right-hand side, we have the St. Thomas Technical High School.
It's Orange Walk.
St. Thomas Eagles. And this is in Orange Walk.
It's Orange Walk.
Walk.
St. Thomas. They will see. They'll see the name.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Let this guy go by me here. Oh, I thought this road here went to that house, but that road, or maybe it does. Maybe they have two roads to go there.
This road used to go up by that Dr. Cottrell used to live up there. I was up there, but it seemed like nobody lived there again because it seemed like the road. You can see that it was asphalted too. But now the road is bushy, so they're cutting it out, and yet still at the end of it, there is still bushy.
Okay.
So it seems like no one is living at their houses anymore. Yeah, I remember Dr. Cottrell was living up there when I was going.
Okay, we're going to turn down into Duckenfield. Duckenfield, people. I'm learning to say it. That's actually why I wanted to do a video, people. It's not that I was that interested in doing a video down here, but I thought, you know, if I do a video here, I'll learn how to say it. Because we are now entering Duckenfield.
It's not hard.
Well, but I have to concentrate on. I don't know why it wants to come off my tongue. Well, maybe because I said it wrong when we first got here too many times.
Yeah, because if you know it's spelled.
I know. I don't know why I was saying it the wrong way.
This is a field again. I don't know what is in this field.
I can't see it through all the weeds and such. You know.
I don't even know what it is. Bustamante Avenue. It goes back to Hampton Court.
Bustamante. That goes by that hardware store. That's the Duckenfield Hardware, and we bought a few loads of this and that there from time to time. A lot of our fence stuff we got there for our chain link.
This was Mr. Spencer's house, that big shop in Chiswick that burnt down. His daddy place.
Okay.
That's his father's place. So it's a long time house.
Okay, and off to the right here we have the old theater.
This was Apollo Theater in the days. It was very nice.
What happened
and
to
it? Was a big.
Did it burn? Or just,
I don't remember.
It just became into disrepair and.
Like they stopped using it and you turn it into a button factory.
A button factory?
Yes.
Like Red Button?
Yes.
Like a Red Button journal
factory? Yes, they were doing some button that you wrap with material. Those kind of yes. And then it just deteriorates because they're not using it, you know, just get dilapidated.
Yeah, and if nobody's making any money off of it, they're not going to put any money into it either.
Right, yeah.
You know, and it's served its purpose, and sometimes the repairs and upkeep are more than it's worth, especially if you don't have anybody to rent it to, and no hope that you'll ever get anybody to rent it to.
It's a long time, Tito.
Yeah.
Orally, that's where my father's from, right up there.
You want to drive by it?
I don't know if you want to go there.
Well, maybe we'll see when we come back here after we go up and do the loop.
So we're not going to remember I have to pick up the shoes.
Oh, we could go up that way. Okay. I kind of wanted to catch we can go back there to go up there, right? Or no?
We'll do what you.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at she always here sleeping.
Wow. Yeah. What's her name?
You know,
Rose?
I don't remember her name.
Why do I want to say Rose? I
But
don't know.
is Verona mother.
Yes, okay. Let's just turn up in here. You want to just go this way or you want to go back and go past?
Anywhere you want to.
Okay.
Just.
Alright, so to go, which way would I go? Left or straight?
You would go there if you're going that
Okay,
way.
okay. This is what we'll do.
That house is big. It's big.
Okay, we're in Duckenfield.
And they call here Gina's Corner. Gina's Corner. It's part of Duckenfield.
You didn't say it right.
Huh?
You didn't say it right.
What is it?
Duckenfield. What did you say? You didn't say Duckenfield.
What I said?
You said it the wrong way, the way I say it. When I say it wrong, you've been around me too long. You pick it up from me. I was going to say one or two things happen. Either you say it wrong and I picked it up from you.
It's Duckenfield. Duckenfield.
Duckenfield.
Yeah.
And so either you were saying it wrong and I picked it up from you, or since I was saying it wrong so much, you picked it up from me. And I got it on tape recording too. That's funny. That's funny.
Because I'm saying to you, what you're saying. And then I'm saying.
Okay, so are we in Dalby now or are we still in Duckenfield?
We are in Duckenfield.
Say it again?
Duckenfield.
Very good. I'm so proud of you.
But around here they call it Gina's Corner.
Oh, Gina Corner?
Gina's.
Gina Corner.
You know, I've never seen it written, so.
Yeah, you're not sure.
They say Gina's.
Yeah.
Gina's Corner, I don't know. It is Gina's or Gina's. It's Gina's Corner here they call it. Gina's.
Yeah.
But it's Duckenfield.
I don't think I've ever filmed on this road.
No, I don't think so. No.
And it's a shame that I'm only going to be going one direction. You know, people only really, they see the other side, they see the left side a little bit from a distance.
So you want to turn back?
No.
Huh?
Oh, well, after we get your shoes, we could go back the other direction, couldn't we? Why don't we do that?
Come back around here. Come
back this way after we get your shoes. Head in the other direction so people
and then now you'll be on the other side.
Yes. Yeah, that's a good idea. And I can always put the sections together, you know, each side. Yeah, that's a good idea, sweetie. Let's do that. Oh, it is past noon, though.
You're not gonna put out anything for today.
Huh?
You're not gonna put out anything for today.
Oh, I didn't put out anything yesterday, though. And the day before, I ended up changing it to private because of what was in the content. We decided it should go private. Remember?
Yeah.
So.
When we were going to school, when I was going to primary school, that is Duckenfield Primary, sometimes we would walk here, like if we go to the library, we walk here to go home.
Oh, on this road right here?
Yeah.
Okay. See, you know, because I grew up in a flat town, that everything was square. There weren't any curved roads.
I know, yeah.
Yeah, everything was square. And so when I come here, sometimes I don't realize what's the shortest way. I want to turn left, correct? Yeah. Now, if I had my GPS on, I would know more about which way I should be going.
So then we would go right across here.
You just cut across the field. Oh, I see a footpath.
But it wasn't like this. There was a good walking path, you know, for us.
But I could see a little, see the path up in there? You see it?
Yeah. I think the path was even different too.
Yeah, well,
Well, right here and go right out back to Chiswick Gate.
Okay, so if I went on that path now, I'd probably take me to the same place, right to Chiswick Gate. So you
But-
knew all the little shortcuts?
But since the father for that place and nobody there died, the son don't want anyone to go.
What are
through
those? Chocolate? I mean, not chocolate. Cocos? Cocoa root?
there. Something behind you blowing.
Cocoa yam?
It's cool. Yeah.
Cocoa yam?
You would like to know that
Let me let him go by here.
in what is that little island name? Antigua.
Antigua?
No, it's not.
Barbados? Antigua?
No, it's,
Anguilla?
no, it's one of those small
Aruba?
islands.
Aruba?
Matthew is in the island, and
What?
that's why I saw something pop up.
Oh, Matthew went there?
Yes, and he was there, and I noticed he was talking to this man who said he was living in the state and he's back now in his country, but he has this accent. So I'm saying, but this man sound like he's a Trinidadian or something.
Oh.
So then keep watching and realize that it's one of those small islands out there.
Huh.
Yeah, and the man doing farm on like 6 acres of land.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, it's the land that has a lot of spice. It's a small island that I just can't remember. It has a lot of spice, like a lot of spices, nutmeg and stuff. Lot of chocolate. And even Matthew was saying, these are chocolate trees. You
They
know?
call them chocolate.
They call them chocolate and
Yes.
they call them cocoa too.
Yes,
Yeah.
and it's the
Yeah.
same way here.
Mhm,
Some
yeah.
people call them chocolate, some people call cocoa.
Yeah. And the man was,
And it's just, different places
Yeah,
have
yeah.
different ways of calling
Yeah.
things. And you can't say one's wrong and the other one's right,
yeah.
necessarily.
And,
It's just the way people call them.
Yeah, but because you were busy, that's why I didn't call you to come and listen,
Oh,
And-
I was busy doing my,
Yeah.
yeah.
And they have so much chocolate there, so much.
Mm-hmm.
So much of it. The man chop one and let
Well,
him
maybe I'll have to watch at least to see part of
Yeah,
it. part
yeah,
of the
Matthew
video.
is there. Yeah.
Yeah. That sounds interesting. I'm gonna take this out of. Sometimes I put the car in low on steep hills, and then I forget to change it back. There's something vibrating in the back of the car. I don't know what that is. Hear it? I don't want it to pick up on the microphone. Hear it?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I didn't notice it before. Now. I don't know what's vibrating back there, but it's.
You mind you going on it?
Yeah.
You remember which way to turn?
Yeah. I don't turn. I go straight.
That way.
Yeah. I don't turn. I know which way to go straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, something's come loose and suddenly rattled back there. Hopefully that man looked familiar.
I didn't look on him.
Huh?
I didn't really look on him.
Yeah.